What is going on, guys? Welcome to Po Boys. Me and Harry are in the shop right now. Hold on, Harry. My truck is obviously super stock. It has subs, headlights, and just a few things like reliability mods, but this is not right. And I can't clear 35s with this setup. So what I'm going to do is get the truck, get it on the lift, and install this new box right here. And that new box, it happens to be a whole leveling kit for my truck. So what we're gonna do is install that, then I'll be able to clear some 35s. I will admit, this is bullshit.
Imagine having to do that on the side of the road.
Yeah, that would suck a donkey. This 8-lug Mama Jama go down yonder, and shock as simple as this bolt, that bolt up there, which I'm gonna have to get from the top of the engine bay. Sweet! I don't even know how to get started with this. I've never leveled a 3/4 ton or a 1 ton.
Half ton is all I'll ever need.
Okay, so I'm doing this size. That bushing is trash. Holy crap. Where is the shock mount? You can see it good? Oh, through the fender liner. I think it's like there's a 2-layer. Yeah, I can't see it from my angle.
You ain't got to cut much out when you get out there to the top.
Oh yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna try and take this fender liner out. It was this blind man, right?
Blind man, right? He was walking down the street by his fish market.
Good morning, ladies.
Ooh, you're bending the fender.
It's fine. Damn it. This thing is being such a... I've never had this much trouble with a fender liner. Never in my life. Oh, there's just more wires just fucking chilling. This fender liner is literally the most ass. Like, I'm gonna have to use a pry bar to get the fender liner out. I also don't want to do this on both sides. I'm just gonna do it to one.
You're gonna put the level only on one side. Oh my god.
I'm gonna run forces on the left.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have fun with this side.
I'm currently having fun with my side.
No, this side's rough.
Harry, can you just say good words?
Oh, this side's easy, bro. You got that.
All right, thank you. Why is it pinched so bad right there? Come on. Finally. Finally. All right. If you buy an F-250 like me and you want to level it, this is what you have to do to your truck. Oh my gosh. It's so hard to do. All right, well, I finally got this hoe off. Damn, it's so hot. That's what I was pushing off. That's why it was so hard. It's a million miles right there, son.
A million miles.
The truck has a million miles on it.
What?
Yes.
This?
Yes.
No.
Yes, I swear.
A million
This
miles?
truck has a million miles.
Like 99999.
No. Like it reads a million miles, like plus some. When it reads a million miles, the thing stops reading. I did research on it.
What?
This truck has a million miles. The odometer does not read at all. As soon as it hits 9999999, it just goes blank, and it's blank right now.
This has a million miles.
Yes.
You sure your cluster just don't work?
The cluster is on and everything. It's just when they hit a million miles, it stops. What kind of booty ass shit is this?
Nice.
And what the fuck is this?
That's a key.
A key for what? All right, so now I should be able to do what I need to do. So let's take that 10 out. That's what holds the spring in on the top. The spring should come out. There we go. Golly, this thing's heavy too. I really hope it just moved. Sweet. It's a 28. Good deal. Wait, that might work. That might be what I need. There we go. Ah, this is very hard. All right, guys, so this spring right here, I just got out of the truck, which was a pain in the... So next up, I gotta take this spacer right here, and I gotta tighten that all the way on. Super simple and easy. Then I'll put the spring back inside the truck, and it will sit taller. All right, so for the first side, all I need to do now is put this bushing inside of the shock, which I'm debating oiling first, but I might can make it just without it. I got an idea. I'm gonna put it backwards, rest it up against this, and push on the whole shock. You piece of shit. I got it. I received the gut. It needs to go higher. F you, chair. All right. Now there's this guy that goes right here. Well, so people of YouTube, this piece right here is supposed to be machined on this side and that side, but they didn't machine it. They're dicks. Like, that doesn't happen to normal people.
That'll get some metal off of it. Is it cutting the metal on the thing?
I don't know. I'm about to find out here in a minute. Oh, you got the most fans.
All of them. It's so hot in here.
It's like 100 degrees outside, plus the fact of like, it's inside of a shop, and I'm turning the whole entire vise. Wow.
Let, go out, like back up a little bit.
Oh yeah, it's threaded.
Yeah.
Yes. There's threads in there now. Not good ones, but there's some. I'm just hoping that these are the right threads. I have no idea what threads this is. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use a drill bit. So, this is like getting rid of everything I just did. Nope, it doesn't even fit.
You still got a long ways.
I'm giving them a bad review on Amazon. If it don't work now, I don't know what the hell will. This hoe isn't even grabbing anything. Harry, I have the best idea that I've had yet.
Really?
And it requires a lot of fucking drilling.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
It's hot. Oh, that was a terrible idea.
What?
It's hot. Holy shit, it's fucking hot. Oh my. Holy shit. Ah, it's hot as fuck. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's better.
You're just gonna run it in?
Nah.
No?
Nah. We happen to be sitting right next to a fucking welder.
Oh,
This is terrible. This should have been threaded. The other one was threaded. It went in, no problem. This one, piece of shit. I moved the fan because it makes a loud sound. Yeah. This is how I'm fixing the truck because Ford is a piece of shit. So is the company that made the lift or the level. I don't recommend buying them because they'll send you pieces that aren't even machined.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yes! Woo! It took so long too.
It only took 5 blades.
5 blades. I'm gonna get the grinder with that flapper wheel, flatten that down so that way it sits straight up, and then we'll weld it to there. We're making it work however we can. I gotta get this truck off the lift by the end of tonight, and I don't plan on re-leveling my truck anytime soon, so. All right. Now, all I gotta do is take this, put it in there, just like that. I'm gonna weld it. All it does is literally hold this right here, and it holds the spring down, because this goes inside the spring. So, now, can you throw me that puck over there? That'll melt. I need to cool that off. This is what happens when companies give you shit. You gotta do your own shit in order to make it happen, which is why my shit. So you can't talk about my shit because people gave me shit. That's about right. Now, which one had, that's the top.
Back out now?
Yeah, you can. That man said, can I get my impact out of the fridge?
She's nice and toasty.
Simple as that.
All the way down?
Yeah, I think so. It seems tight. We're running it. You know, I'm just still gonna send it. Now I only have one more problem. This spring needs to go under there. Jump. All right, it's on. Together we can make anything happen. Yeah. All right, should be leveled now.
Is it like that on both sides?
Yeah. Yeah. You know what? I think this is right. Because when it sits down, it's going to sit a lot lower. I think I might just be tripping. All right, either way, I need to put this new shock together. All right, well, I need lots of WD-40. I don't need the metal piece.
Oh, you don't?
There's a spacer. This spacer right here, I'm just leaving in for this from the stock one. All right, lower it down. We're driving away. All right, so we got everything on except for the sway bar because I'm going to be removing the sway bar for now and put this guy back on. Look at that.
Well, once you go down, it's gonna go down a lot.
Look at it though. Look at how bad that is.
Oh, I know.
Reverse camber, gang. Moment of truth.
The suspension has to settle.
Yeah, doesn't look bad. It still sits like this. I'm probably just gonna go get it aligned here in a day or two. All right, well, guys, the truck's leveled. Have a freaking great day. Sorry that you had to watch this video because this video sucked because it sucked doing